Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Again, a deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. There's no need to force it. Just allow it to flow. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where your body makes contact with the surface beneath you. Feel the support holding you. Scan your body from your toes to the top of your head. Notice any sensations that arise, perhaps warmth, coolness, tingling, or pressure. There's no need to judge these sensations. Just observe them with curiosity. If you notice any areas of tightness or discomfort, simply acknowledge them. You can send a gentle breath to those areas, inviting them to soften. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Notice the subtle coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth as it leaves. Your mind may wander, and that is perfectly natural. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently acknowledge them without judgment. Then, with kindness, guide your attention back to the sensation of your breath. Think of your thoughts like clouds passing through the sky. You can observe them, but you don't need to hold on to them. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, except right here. Feel the stillness within you. Even amidst the busyness of life, there is a quiet space accessible to you. Continue to focus on your breath. Each inhale, a moment of presence. Each exhale, a release. As we begin to bring this session to a close, take a moment to appreciate yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and awareness with you into the rest of your day.